We've all seen the classic bowling ball on a trampoline demonstration. A heavy globe curves a fabric sheet, and a marble rolls toward it. It's elegant, it's intuitive, and it's fundamentally flawed. If we tilt the camera, the illusion breaks. The marble only rolls because Earth's gravity is pulling it down into the curve. It's a circular argument. It uses gravity to explain gravity. To truly understand the universe, we need a model that works without a down. Forget the sheet. In the real world, mass stretches space in every direction. Think of it not as a curve, but as a change in density. Near a massive object, the very fabric of reality is stretched thin, becoming less dense than the void of deep space. Imagine an atom in this gradient. As the electron orbits, it's essentially paddling through space. When it moves up into denser space, it pushes the nucleus down with a certain force. When it swings back down into the thinner, stretched space, it pushes back up. In a uniform environment, these forces cancel out. The atom stays still. But space isn't uniform here. Because the downward phase of the orbit happens in thinner space than the upward phase, the forces don't balance. There is a tiny, persistent leftover force, a drift toward the stretched area. This isn't a magical pull, it's an emergent behavior. Summed up across trillions of atoms, this drift becomes the relentless force we call gravity. Now, let's get real. Electrons aren't little planets paddling in circles. Quantum mechanics tells us they are clouds of probability, waves of existence defined by the Schrödinger equation. At first glance, this seems to kill our paddling metaphor. If the electron is everywhere at once, how can it drift? The answer lies in the gradient itself. We can modify the wave equation to account for the stretching of space. By adding a bias, a mathematical term that follows the density of space, the probability cloud itself shifts. The electron becomes slightly more likely to manifest in the thinner space than the thick space. This shift is subtle but decisive. The electron cloud is now off-center, lopsided toward the mass. Because electrostatic forces lock the nucleus to the center of that cloud, the entire atom is dragged forward. Gravity, then, isn't a mysterious tether. It's the result of quantum waves leaning into the variable density of a curved, stretched universe.
This is emergent gravity, a bridge between Einstein's general relativity and the strange world of quantum mechanics.